Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to do a short video on focus points on a Canon 250D. So let's get started. So to switch the camera on, just basically go to the top and just put it on. So I switched it on. Okay, I'm in manual mode, so I've got it on manual mode, and I'm going to go to the LCD screen. Okay, so there's my LCD screen, and I'm going to click on the Q button. And I'm gonna click on the Q, this button here, and it's gonna take me to my settings. So focus points, you've got a couple of options. You can click on this little icon here. So click on this little icon here, and you can literally hover through your focus points like this. Okay, you can also do it through your viewfinder over here as well. But literally, you just flick through it, or you can touch screen it as well like this, and select focus points to what you want to focus on. So that's really useful. If you click on the Q button, sorry, let me just go back again. If you click on the Q button, it will select all the focus points in screen. So what this allows you to do is basically have autofocus. So again, if I click back on Q button, click on this icon here, it allows me to select all the focus points. So if I've got, and I don't want to do a lot of work, and I just press the release button, it will autofocus certain objects. But I would recommend you to click on this icon, take that off. Okay, so click on the Q button, take that off by pressing the Q set button, and then pivot through these to select the right focus points on your camera. You can also do it through your LCD screen, so your viewfinder, not your LCD screen, in order to be able to change these. Okay, there's not that many focus points on these nowadays. Some of these mirrorless and DSLR cameras have vast amounts of focus points. This one's got a few, but they are quite good, and they do work really well on this camera, and I have tested it, and I have been quite impressed with the focal length and the focal diameter length, well, focal range that it offers. So definitely have a little play with that and see what sort of results you get. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post, and I'm happy to respond. Quick little demonstration on autofocus points on this Canon 250D. Thanks a lot guys, bye.